and to lunch. Hi, are you free for lunch tomorrow?
Hello. Yes, I think so. Why?
I wanted to invite you to lunch.
That sounds lovely.
There is a new cafe near my office.
Oh, really?
Yes, it opened last week.
Have you been there already?
No, not yet.
Then it will be new for both of us.
Yes, exactly.
What time do you want to go?
Maybe at 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock works for me.
Great.
Do they serve sandwiches or hot food?
I think they have both.
That sounds nice.
I heard the soup is very good.
I like soup for lunch.
Me too.
Is it far from the station?
No, only 5 minutes away.
Perfect.
We can meet in front of the cafe.
Yes, that is easy.
I will send you the address later.
Thank you.
Do you prefer to sit inside or outside?
Outside, if the weather is nice.
I hope it is sunny.
Me too.
It will be nice to catch up.
Yes, it has been a while.
Too long, I think.
I agree.
Then tomorrow at 1?
Yes, tomorrow at 1.
Wonderful.
Thank you for inviting me.
You are welcome.
I am looking forward to it.
Me too.
Have a good evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.